Last year, we posted a video about USB-IF announcing new certified USB-C cable power rating logos. And today we got a 240 watts USB-C cable from Baseus, which has been certified to adopt a new rating logo. Both USB-C connectors are orange. The cable length is about 1 meter. The diameter is about 3.38 mm, and the weight is about 32 grams. Our charger lab Power ZKM003C shows it can support 50 volts, 5A, 240 watts, EPR, but the data transmission speed is limited to USB 2.0. After the brief introduction, let's cut it off, and then take a small part for analysis. Firstly, tear off the white TPE layer. There is a layer of shielding net under it, and the aluminum foil for shielding wraps all wires inside tightly. A total of 8 wires in different colors. Those 2 thick red copper wires are used for the positive power supply, and 2 bare wires are used for the negative power supply. Since there is no insulating layer, the cable can be made thinner. Some wires are used for data transmission. For example, the green and white wires are the D+ and D- wires. They were used for USB 2.0 data transmission. The blue wire is CC wire, and the yellow wire is VCON wire. Next, use the cutting machine to cut off the plastic case of the USB-C connector. Even if the plastic shell is removed, there is still a layer of compound potting to protect the connector. Let's go ahead and remove that. It takes a while. Two pieces of stainless steel sleeve can greatly improve its durability, fixed by dense solder joints. The next step is to use the spudger to remove it. We still haven't been able to see the chips inside. There is another layer of silicone adhesives under the steel sleeve. The yellow heat-resistant tape is used for insulation. Tear off the tape and clean the silicone adhesives. We can finally see the wires and chips inside. The e-marker chip is soldered on the front, and the positive and negative wires for power supply are soldered on 2 sides. Flip to the back, we can see the D+, D-, CC, and VCON wires. The e-marker chip is from Hynetek HUSB332B, the first to get the USB PD 3.1 e-marker certification in the industry. Continue to remove the stainless steel sleeve of the USB-C connector. It adopts a full pin design. All internal pins are gold-plated. There is no e-marker chip on the other end, but those wires on the back are the same as the other end. Well, that's all wires and components of this 240 watts cable from Baseus. It complies with the USB-IF standard and can be used for all PD 3.1 devices in the future. After taking it apart, we found it has excellent protection measures over the USB-C connector, even better than Apple. It can make your 240 watts charging experience more stable and smooth. Okay, that's all for today's video. Please drop a like, leave your comments, and subscribe to us if you like this video. See you in the next video. Bye!